First line, I called the house several times, comma, and in as much as each time I was unable to get any reply, comma, I think that these people were away and the house was closed, full stop. Second line, you have not replied to our note of 4th February asking for a check for the goods supplied to you on 12th November, full stop. We would like to know why you have not settled this bill, full stop. Third line, if you wish to place your furs in cold storage, we can call for them and deliver them to you when you tell us to do so, full stop. Our charges are most reasonable, full stop. Let us store them for you, comma, and you will have nothing to worry about, full stop. Fourth line, most people have believed in the past that it was necessary to pay a lot of money for a good club city, full stop. No doubt they were right, full stop. But we can tell you now that it is not at all necessary to pay much for a good article, comma, as we have just put on the market our easy rest settee, comma, which is available for only a few guineas, full stop. Fifth line, please tell us what the cost would be for a safe about 4 feet high and with a capacity of about 40 cubic feet, full stop. The cost should include delivery to this building, full stop.